Hello guys, today we talk about Houston Maritime Attorney. Leading maritime lawyers, our Houston, Texas Maritime Attorney have won over $10 billion. Houston Martin Attorney, just like any other industry, seamen are at risk for suffering work-related injuries anytime they are on the clock. The court recognize and are continually working to protect injured seamen through general maritime law. Maritime law gives workers who have been injured offshore or in the maritime industry the chance to claim necessary compensation for any suffering of medical complications. The following acts are foundational to maritime law: Jones Act, Death on the High Seas Act, Limitation of Liability Act, Longham and Harbor Workers Compensation Act. General maritime law is the basis for all injuries sustained by seamen. It is important to have a comprehensive understanding of the general law before delving into the subsequent acts. So, if you want to the free case review of free maritime, you need to be best maritime attorney to handle your case. Contact us today. There are some of the case results of our attorneys. $8 billion top 3 largest jury verdict in US history. Details of this $8 billion case is Arnold and Itkin LLP tried a respondal case against Johnson and Johnson for failing to warn about one of the drug's most damaging side effects, gynecomastia. Our skill, hard work, and dedication result in the third largest jury verdict ever obtained. So they don't give the runaround. You are looking for a firm that's going to have your back and willing to go trial and seek up for you. Go with Arnold and Itken if you want results. They take their job very seriously. So there is the sum of history of admiralty and maritime law. Maritime law, also referred to as admiralty law, is nearly as old as the shipping industry itself and governs most accidents that occur on navigable waters. The law roots can be traced back to the unwritten customs of nautical behavior of Egyptians and Greeks. However, the earliest formal codes were established around 900 BC on the Greek island of Rhodes. The original maritime law and the codes stemmed from the ancient customs and the rules of shipping. For example, the doctrine of general average, the concept that all sea cargo stakeholders evenly share any damage or losses that occur as a result of a voluntary sacrifice of part of the vessel or cargo to save the whole, can be traced back to the early shipping customs of the Rhodians. The concept of a separate legal authority regulating maritime issues was brought to the West by Eleanor of Aquitaine, who learned of the concept when she accompanied her first husband, King Louis II of France. The term admiralty law came from the British admiralty courts, who presided over maritime matters separately from England's common law courts. As the US judicial system is based on the British system, amended admiralty laws were gradually incorporated into our legal system soon after the Constitution was ratified. Though still based on industry standards and customs, maritime law is largely found in the US. Constitution, treatises, and international conventions, federal statutes, the general maritime law, and the other judicial decisions, administrative regulations, and customs. So here we talk about when does maritime law apply. Perhaps most obviously, maritime law applies to events that occur on high seas. In other words, accidents that happen beyond the territorial waters of any country. Furthermore, maritime law applies to the territorial sea, which are waters within 12 miles of the shore. However, the laws applicable become less clear further inland. Early in the United States history, maritime law do not apply to incidents that occur within the body of the country and therefore excluded incidents involving the Great Lakes and notable inland waterways. However, throughout the 19th century, this inclusion eroded away. Maritime law is now applicable to navigable waters. A waterway is deemed navigable by itself or by uniting with other waters. Our maritime law have represented clients who are injured in jack-up rig accidents, tugboat barge accidents, cargo ship accidents, oil platform, cruise ship, dredge, shepherd, and tugboat accidents. So, if you want to the best maritime law, you can hire our lawyers to get the best results.